friends, welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today is the second part of plotting of rational numbers on number line. So now let's start plotting of rational numbers on a number line part 2. In my previous video, in my part 1 video, I show you about rational numbers, plotting of rational numbers of real fraction. Now this part 2, in this video we will learn plotting of mixed fraction, where the rational number is not a real fraction. So let's take an example. 7 by 3. Example is 7 by 3 where P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q means it is not a real fraction. In this case, you make this fraction as a mixed fraction. In this case, you make this fraction as a mixed fraction. How could you make as a mixed fraction? If you want to make it mixed fraction, first divide the numerator by the denominator. 3 2 is 6, remainder is 1. And the mixed fraction part will be like, here is the quotient, remainder and the divisor. And here quotient is 2, remainder is 1 and the divisor part is 3. So 7 by 3 is 2 1 by 3. It is not a real fraction. If you make it a mixed fraction, the mixed fraction will be 2 1 by 3. 2 is the whole part and 1 by 3 is the fractional part. So in my first video, introduction of rational numbers, I told you clearly that in this case the number presents between the whole number and its next number, means the number represents between the number plotting between 2 and its next number is 3. So make a number line consisting of the integer 2 and 3. This is the number line, here 2, make it bold, and this is 3. And again this is our questions. 2 whole 2 number with 1 by 3 is the fractional part. Here simply put the rational numbers as mixed real fraction. 1 by 3 is a real fractional part, 1 by 3 because here numerator is smaller than the denominator. And yes, the denominator tells us the number of equal segments between 2 and 3 because this number presents between 2 and 3. So make it 3 equal parts. So by putting 2 lines, we make it 3 equal parts. First part, second part and third part. And again, this numerator tells us about the part from this whole number towards right because it is a positive integer, positive rational numbers. We move towards right because it is a positive rational numbers. So numerator is 1, so moves first part towards right, and this is the first part moves towards right. Here is the first part and the number will be 2 1 by 3, otherwise we tell it 7 by 3. Okay, again I repeated. First our question is 7 by 3. As for the division method, by dividing this numerator by the denominator, we make it as a mixed fraction. 2 whole number with 1 by 3 fractional part. 2 is the whole number, means it says that this number presents between 2 and its next number. Here it is a positive rational number, so it presents between 2 and its next number is 3. And the denominator tells us the number of equal segments between 2 and 3. Here denominator is 3, so by putting two lines, we make it 3 equal parts. And the numerator tells us the first part from 2 towards right due to it is a positive rational numbers. And so this place is the 7 by 3. Okay, now let's put this same number with negative sign, means negative rational numbers. Minus 7 by 3. If we factorize, if we make it a mixed fraction, so it will become minus 2 1 by 3. Here the whole part is minus 2. So this number, this negative rational number presents between minus 2 and its next number is minus 3. In this case, as when we need next number, then we move towards left because this is a negative rational. This is a negative rational number, minus 2 to minus 3. Similarly, denominator says the number of equal segments between minus 2 and minus 3 by putting two lines make it three parts, one, second and third part. First part, second part and third part, and this part tells us the number of parts from the whole part, whole number. Minus 2, the number of 1, the number 1 means first part, first part, and this portion is for minus 7 by 3. This plot is for minus 7 by 3. Again I repeat it, minus 7 by 3. First we convert it to a mixed fraction, and here the whole number part is minus 2. So this number presents between minus 2 and its next number is minus 3. In this case, when we take a negative rational numbers to plotting, when we need its next number, again I repeat it, this is the most important thing. When you take positive numbers, you should always move towards right side to get its next number. But in this case of negative rational numbers, you should always need to move left side of its whole part, whole number. Here whole number is minus 2. When you trying to get the next number of this minus 2, you should move left side. You should move left side of this whole part, minus 2 and minus 3. And here this is the plotting. This is our question minus 7 by 3. This is the plotting for our question number minus 7 by 3. So clearly watching this video from starting to ending, that's why you don't have any doubt regarding this video, regarding this plotting of rational numbers and a number line. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video. Please press the bell icon for latest update of my video. Thank you.